Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix GTA 5 failed to load due to an incomplete installation. This will be an easy fix, so follow along. Just before we do begin though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, open up your Steam right over here or any game library you have. Either you have Epic Games. Basically they're all the same process, so open it up, click on your game library right over here, right click on the game, click properties right over here, installed files, and this basically verify integrity of game files. If you're on Epic Games, it is very similar. It's also actually verify integrity of game files. Just go ahead and click on it, and as you can see, it's verifying integrity of game files. So what basically what it's gonna do, it's gonna fix any corrupted files or missing files, exactly what GTA 5 is on a message due to the error message. So go ahead and do that. Once done, wait for it to finish. Okay, once done, it should say successfully validated. Go ahead and exit that out and relaunch GTA 5. Now if it still doesn't work, what I'd recommend is basically click on the game, click on the gear icon, and do the uninstall and just reinstall it properly. Basically that will be all for this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.